I'm totally fucked up now. Oh, I locked it up so that I could go there, and what I did not remember is that I forgot to bring the key. Look at this. What a beautiful place. Trespassing करने के चक्कर में शूट कर देगा मेरे को ये लोग. Maybe it takes you somewhere across the hill. I don't know. We'll figure it out together. What a manhoos day, yaar. Gloves fell down. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another video. I thought I'll start early today, but kind of got late. It's 6:16 in the AM. Although Bangalore would be sleeping as of now. There is this place called Mavathur Dam, which is roughly 70 kilometers from here. The route that we are going to take is gonna be through the slight bit of nice road, and then we'll take a turn at Kanakpura road. We didn't think nice road would be this much crowded early morning actually. Look at the fog. The top floors of the societies are in the fogs. The weather has been a bit generous last 2 to 3 days, and I'm happy that I don't have to get my bike washed that soon. Every 2 to 3 days. 3 days back only I have cleaned and polished it. We need to take a turn here. This road goes towards the Kanakpura road, and if you go straight it goes towards the Tumkur road. I'll buy a handlebar bag, yeah. It is very difficult. Every toll you need to, not every toll, they don't charge you most of the tolls for the bikers, but with the gloves it is very tedious job. Alright, it's the same route I had taken on very first long ride to, I think, Sangam. Yeah, it was through the same road. It's a small dam that we are going, but for a bike ride I think the journey itself is a destination. More fun is on the journey than the destination. Okay, the map says that we need to take a right. Let's see. I think this would be Slide Trails if I'm not wrong. Let's see. Oh no, it's not a trail. The road looks really well. Where it is asking me to drop. Okay, so this is where the fun begins. Nice. Oh no, don't tell me that you're gonna get my bike dirty again. I had washed it this weekend. Anyway, Bikes and shoes are meant to be dirty. Looks like we have reached already. Wow. Oh. We are finally here. The place looks beautiful, and what's more beautiful is my bike. I am totally fucked up now. So what I did is that I have this crazy chain which I use to lock my helmet or any luggage. Okay, now I locked it up so that I could go there, and what I did not remember is that I forgot to bring the key. And these are crazy, these are very heavy. I'm not sure, I need to find a lohar who could, you know, cut this or take this off. Shit yaar. Oh man, I cannot do anything. It's a very quiet, small place surrounded by the mountains. You're going to love it. What is this site? The dogs are barking because they saw a new person. Not a new person, they saw a robot actually. With all this, it looks exactly like a robot. Alright. Okay. Look at this. What a beautiful place. And then now look at this. Look at all this garbage over here. Looks like there is a bit of a trek here, and then the road goes, some road goes here as well, as you can see. So there must be a way to reach here directly because there were some people on the cars. It's really beautiful place. It's not much far either, only 60-70 kilometers from Bangalore. So this is how I'm carrying my gloves in my tank bag, okay? And somewhere here one of the gloves fell down. So the two bikers were coming behind me. They picked it up and gave it to me. What a manhoos day yaar. Gloves fell down. My helmet is locked. I need to see what I have to do for that. And here it is, the chain which I need to unchain. Looks like I found a way, guys. Okay, I'm gonna be adding a slight bit of dent over here. Oh, that can be avoided by adding the... No, that cannot be avoided. Let's see. Okay. Finally, after a lot of sweating, I'm able to unchain the chain. Got a lot of dent here. Use this guy to fix it. But anyway, I have my helmet back on. It's time to start back. I saw some guy coming from this road. Slight trail. Let me change the ride mode first. We are in off-road mode. Okay, looks like it does not go anywhere. The fuel reserve has kicked in. Let's see where this road goes. So not a bad trail. Okay, this is a dead end. What is it this side? This looks like a private property. Not sure if I should go or not. I'll go as far as my bike can go. Oh, whoa! I think this is the max my bike can go. I cannot go further beyond. Wow. This place is even further remote. No one is here. It's just me, my bike, and my camera, and then some ducks, and a beautiful view. भाई क्या बात है. So this is the same lake which flows down that side जो भी हमने देखा. Lovely. I'll not stay here longer. It's a private property, I guess. Trespassing करने के चक्कर में शूट कर देगा मेरे को ये लोग. Let's go back. और भाई ये हाथी को घुमाना ना एक टास्क होता है भाई अलग ही. Come on. हालत खराब हो जाती है भाई. हाँ. अबे यार मेरा ये जूता वापस से उखड़ गया. क्या करूँ मैं इसका. अभी ये जूता ही उखड़ गया. ये ले फाड़ दिया. अब इसको जा कर के बदलना पड़ेगा यार जूता. उम्र हो गई इसकी. चलो थोड़ा पोर्शन तो है, काम चल जाएगा. So finally it is time to start towards home now. And what a ride it has been, man. Beautiful. Morning spent well. It's 9:25 and hopefully by 12 I'll reach back my home. Okay. Whether I have eaten or not, it is important for this beast to get his food and drinks, and here we are. Power petrol. Okay, so I have fed my beast oil with worth 1000 rupees, and I use power petrol now. Ever since they have started mixing गन्ने का juice, I have switched to power petrol. Although the tank it is written that it is E20 compliant, but I still would like to get very less ethanol as possible. I saw a beautiful road, so I wanted to see where it leads. Maybe it takes you somewhere across the hill. I don't know. We'll figure it out together. Let's go. टोगेश भाई रोड पे नहीं सोने का. अरे गाय माता. See, this is a dead end. What the fuck यार. I thought it will take me towards the hills and all, but nahi. I want to go on those hills yaar. Must be some road. I'll have to do some research before coming next time. What is this place yaar? It's some college, some university. The architecture is really beautiful in this. Industrial area. They've not written anything either. Those who know, they can confirm. But look at this. How beautiful. From here I need to take a turn for the nice road, it seems. Oh, I didn't see that. See, this is the confidence that you get while you're laning is the job of cornering traction control. भाई तो गलत रोड ले लिया था हमने. This one? Okay. Oh. Thank you. I had to take a turn after going a bit ahead. Shit. This is where I need to take a turn. There would barely be any day when you are riding on a nice road or the Mysore Expressway and you don't get to see an accident. We are back in the city, and as usual Bangalore roads are not welcoming in terms of the road quality and the traffic either. I mean, we all contribute to this traffic, but it is not. So you go on a highway, it takes you on the sky, but moment you enter the city, it shows you your own awqat. So today's journey has been fun. Overall it has been 130.9 kilometers so far. I think I'll be 1 or 2 more kilometers and then I'll be home. It was a fun ride, bit adventure in terms of missing the key at home, losing the gloves, and another guy finds it and give it back to me. Slight bit of trail. So overall it was a fun ride. So thanks for watching till the end, guys. I hope you liked it. If not, do let me know in the comment the feedback. I would definitely love to hear the feedbacks. And if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. और नहीं मन करे तो मत ही करो भाई, देखो वीडियो क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है. चलो बाय बाय.